How to fix we cannot send a text message to this number on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix we cannot send a text message to this number on Twitter. Now if you are facing the issue that your Twitter is not being able to send text messages on the number that you are trying to sign up on, then it's probably because your number has not been registered on the network. Now if you have just brought a new network, then your number might have not been registered, as it takes certain time for your number to be registered once you take a new number. So what you want to do is make sure your number is registered first, and then you can try it up. However, if your number is registered and it's not trying, or the error is not been fixed still, then it might just be the server issue. So what you want to do is, first you might want to clear data of Twitter app. Simply scroll down your notification bar and head into settings by tapping on the settings icon, and scroll down and head into apps. Now once on apps, what you can do is search in for Twitter here, and once you search in for Twitter, simply scroll down and head into storage here and simply tap on clear data. If you are on iOS device, what you can do is simply offload the app, and once on Android, if you clear the data, go ahead to Play Store, and what you want to do is update the Twitter again, and then simply open it up and try logging in, and this should fix the issue. Or you might want to wait for a couple of minutes or hours before doing so. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.